Hello everyone. Today I'd like to talk about the importance of AI tools for the role of an AI product manager, or you can simply say AI PM. The role of an AI PM is evolving rapidly. To traditionally, product manager focused on understanding customer needs, defining the requirements, and prioritizing what features should be built, and then coordinate with the internal stakeholders like your engineering and business teams. But with AI becoming part of almost every digital product, the AI PM need to go one step further. AI tools can significantly improve how an AI PM works, from research to execution, analysis, and decision making. AI improves product discovery and research. An AI PM can use AI tools to analyze customer feedback, reviews, surveys, support tickets, and market information much faster. Instead of manually going through hundreds of responses, AI can identify common themes, pain points, and emerging customer needs. This helps product managers make decisions based on the evidence rather than the assumptions. So in this video, we will be discussing about the top 10 AI tools that actually fit into the product manager day-to-day life. Number one was Notebook LM, which summarizes an answer from what resources that you have been provided to this LLM. ChatGPT, as we already in some part of our life use this app, your all purpose copilot, which is used to convert ideas into your writing. The Gamma tool turns prompt into clean decks and docs. The Alloy tool, which create interactive prototype. So a product manager needs to come up with some prototypes to validate their ideas as well. Lovable tool, which is used for building the prototype, or you can say a minimum viable product. So if you want to validate the product vision, you have to come up with some a minimal shorter version of the app to showcase to the stakeholders such that they can believe that this product is going to boom in the market. Then comes a Figma. Figma is used to generate UI designs from text prompts. We have the Chat PRD as well, which is used to write PRD and specs from the short briefs. Reading and summarizing the long documentation is what Claude is for. Google AI for research and strategy. Now, the last one was text to SQL. Text to SQL converts the plain English into the data queries. So in this video, we are going to see a simple test of one of the AI tool, which is your Notebook LM, into the real life example. So let's come up on the platform of Gemini Notebook, where I am going to create or assign myself a task, which is to create a flow diagram, or you can say a sketch animated diagram from a prompt, or you can say from a copied text. So I'm going to create a new notebook here. This new notebook will eventually navigate me to this note section, where I can see the sources panel, the chat panel, and the studio. Studio has multiple options to try, but let me come here and upload a copy text here. So whatever the copy text I'll be using is this, the top 10 AI tool that actually fit into the product manager state. So I'm going to copy this and paste to the notebook LM and click insert button. Now what this will do is analyze what I have pasted and add this source to the source panel, and then we can eventually convert these panel into the studio tools. Like I can use a video overview, I can convert a video overview from this, a audio overview. Also I can create an infographic. So I'm going to create an infographic image so that it will be for my future reference usage, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select some options like English and sketch notes and the standard version as well, and I'm going to click on the generate button. So we are also going to learn about Gamma tool, the Alloy tool, and we have already seen the Lovable, because using Lovable I've already created the 3 MVPs for myself. And we are going to also leverage the chat PRD tools, because this is one of the responsibility that will be handled by the AIPM as well, right? So has generated something here. So once I click on this AI powered product management tool, you can see I'm receiving something like this. First of all, let me just remove this, quit Grammarly, and you can see now that we have a sketched version of AI powered product manager top daily tools, which says about Figma, Alloy, Lovable, Claude, Notebook LM, and Chat PRD. So this is as a single source to give myself a future reference that what I've learned on that day, right? Stay tuned for the next content.